Hi everyone, Jacqueline here, and today I am showing off my week 3 game of week game. So this is my third week creating a game in a single week. So this week I decided to work in Gadot, I think is what it's called, or the game engine. This engine is a new engine for me. I've actually never worked in this before. Recently I bought a Humble Bundle pack with a bunch of programming stuff, just to kind of see if there's anything cool and new that I haven't actually worked in before. So that's kind of how I found out about Gadot, and so I decided this time I'm going to work in Gadot, just to kind of challenge myself and learn a new engine. So I created a platforming runner game. I think I called it Robot Runner. Essentially, the player starts at the very top of the level and then runs all the way down without getting hit by the fire, which is just a red bar that chases the player down the screen. All the while you collect coins and such as you go down. So this is my title screen, Robot Runner, my name, Jacqueline Hyman. So I also have a credit screen for the assets that I did not buy, or that I did not make myself. So these are all the things that I did. I designed and programmed the game. I created the player sprite, the platform sprites, the coin sprites, and the kill bar sprite, which is the fire that I mentioned earlier. Andrea Quarren created the game music. I downloaded that for free off of a website, but she was listed as the artist. I actually really liked it, so thank you, Andrea. And then also the coin sound effect was created by Daniel Beckley, so thank you, Daniel. Alright, so let's play the game. So here's the game. You'll notice that I have music. You see my fire bar coming down, collecting coins. So basically the player just wants to get to the bottom floor, which is floor 0. You start on floor 100. So we're just kind of running down. Eventually I want to put some enemies in here or something, just to make it a little bit more challenging instead of just straight up running down. Maybe some obstacles that make the player maybe choose to go the long route so they don't have to hit the obstacle, but if they do hit the obstacle, then perhaps maybe they just lose some momentum and get slowed down. I think that would be really good. So right now I'm just running down the platforms. So I'll show you what happens when you win, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what happens when you lose. Because I have 2 different screens that I'll take you to. I have a win screen and a lose screen. Right, so I've won, you win, and then you can hit play again or go to the main menu. So I'm just going to show you play again. So it just brings you back into the game from the beginning. So I'm just going to stand here and die. Alright, so when that touches you, you die. You can hit play again from here as well, and it will play again. So I'm just gonna, and then if you hit main menu, it'll take you back to the main menu. My quit button doesn't work because I added it to HIO, so that's not gonna work. But had I built for Android or something like that, my quit button would have worked. I actually did not think about that when I was creating it, because in Engine it closes the browser window, so I thought, but that's okay. I'm learning. I've learned a new engine, so it's overall a really great experience. And I think that I will be using Gadot again, and I would definitely recommend it to people out there that are new to game programming or creating games at all, because it was really, really fast to learn. The programming language that they use is called GDScript. It's really, really easy to learn. It's really close to Python. If you know Python, it'll be really easy for you to learn. If you don't know Python, that's okay. It's still really simple. It's pretty much English that you're typing into there. So, and they do offer a few different scripting languages that you can use. I know for sure they have the GD script, which is their own thing. They also have a version of Godot where you can script in C# and I think also C++. I have to check the second one. But they have lots of different ways that you can create games. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.